Area using a squared paper. Area of a closed figure is expressed in terms of the area of a unit square of side 1 centimeter. Area of a unit square is equal to 1 square unit or 1 centimeter square. Thus, area is always expressed in terms of square units such as square meters or square centimeters. To find the area of a closed figure, we place it over a squared paper or a graph paper, each square of which has a side of length 1 centimeter. Then we need to look at the squares enclosed by the figure. The area of the given figure is the number of centimeter squares that are needed to cover it. We find that some of the squares are completely enclosed, some half, some less than half, and some more than half. We adopt the following convention to find the area accurately. The area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit. If exactly half the square is counted, we take its area as 1/2 square unit. Ignore portions of the area that are less than half a square. If more than half of a square is in a region, we just count it as 1 square. Such a convention gives a fair estimate of the desired area. Now consider this figure. We need to estimate the area of the given figure by counting squares. Clearly, there are 4 fully filled squares and 4 half-filled squares. Also, there are no more than half-filled squares and less than half-filled squares. Now, according to the convention, we take the area of one full square as 1 square unit. So, area of completely filled square is 4. Also, area of half-filled square is taken as 1/2 square units. So, the area becomes 4 into half of 2. The total area of the figure is 4 plus 4 into half, that is 4 plus 2, which is equal to 6 square units. Here, consider another figure. Clearly, there are no completely filled squares. Also, there are no half-filled squares. How many more than half-filled squares do you find? It's 4. Also, there are 16 less than half-filled squares. Now, as we take the area of more than half of a square as 1 square unit, so the area of 4 such squares is 4 square units. Now, what do we do with the less